Air. Structure of the atmosphere. Structure of the atmosphere. The blanket of air that surrounds the Earth is known as atmosphere. The atmosphere is not all the same. We consider it to be split into 5 parts. In each part, the temperature and gases and behavior is different. The layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. The layer closest to the surface of the Earth is the troposphere. It is at the bottom of the atmosphere. The troposphere is roughly 13 kilometers high. This layer has the air that we can breathe in. All weather changes that we see, like rain, fog, hail, winds, etc., take place in the troposphere. So, all our weather happens in the troposphere. Mount Everest is about 8 kilometers tall. So, even that is just halfway up the troposphere. As we go higher and higher up in the troposphere, the temperature goes on reducing. At the end of the troposphere is the tropopause. Here, the temperature is constant. It is about 3 kilometers thick. Think and discuss. Why is the troposphere important for humans? Stratosphere. The next layer is the stratosphere. It is the layer above the troposphere. It is almost 50 kilometers high. There aren't clouds here and it's very dry, so there isn't much turbulence. That is why jet aircraft fly in the lower stratosphere. It's a lot easier. The ozone layer is in the lower part of the stratosphere. This protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. The ozone layer stops the harmful ultraviolet radiations from the sun from reaching the earth and saves us from extreme heat. Our pollution over the years has been destroying the ozone layer. That makes it dangerous for life on Earth. The air does not move much in the stratosphere. There is also very little water vapor and very little dust. Think and discuss. Why is the stratosphere ideal for flying aeroplanes? Where is the ozone layer found? Why is it important for life on Earth? Mesosphere. The next layer is the mesosphere. Meso means middle. It's roughly in the middle of the atmosphere. The mesosphere extends from 50 kilometers to 80 kilometers. It's where most meteors burn up when they enter the atmosphere. So, these huge rocks don't all hit the surface of the Earth. The mesosphere protects us in a way, doesn't it? The temperature goes on decreasing as we go higher in the mesosphere. In fact, the mesosphere has the lowest temperature in the atmosphere. At the end of the mesosphere is the mesopause. Think and discuss. How does the mesosphere protect us from rocks in outer space? Thermosphere. The next layer is the thermosphere. It extends from 80 kilometers to 650 kilometers. The ionosphere is part of the thermosphere. The ionosphere reflects radio waves, so we can send radio signals all over Earth. In the thermosphere, the temperature goes on increasing as we go higher. The temperature reaches almost 2500 degrees Celsius in the daytime. The thermosphere is the layer where the beautiful aurora borealis or the northern lights occur. Think and discuss. What layer of atmosphere helps in radio communication? In which layer of atmosphere do the polar lights happen? Exosphere. The last layer is the exosphere. It extends from 1000 kilometers to 10,000 kilometers. The exosphere is the last layer before space. The air in the exosphere is very thin. From the exosphere, gases can escape into space. Some satellites orbit in this layer. This layer is sometimes considered as a part of outer space. Think and discuss. Name the different layers of the atmosphere in the order in which they occur.